This is a game I made on Scratch. This is all the code in just one sprite.
Out in the world, I think that they will be using their computer science skills and their home repair skills every single day. I'm always trying to remind students that they need to learn how to read the manual. They need to learn how to solve problems. It's basically a problem-solving activity here, and every day that's what we're doing.
Just to know better and what to do around my house, and when I move out of my parents' house, save a lot of money.
Last year we learned how to use Google Sheets, and I feel like that helps me organize some of my work more.
Parents have said the students' work ethic has improved, their interest in school. They want to come in, they want to get to work in the shop. I've had students that report back that they've changed their own outlets safely. They even turn the power off.
I live on a pretty big property. It's a lot of work and upkeep, and I actually used it when we framed in a room in our house, and I did all the electrical for it, which was a really cool experience.
I made it because when I had started becoming even more interested in programming. I've been interested in programming and computers for probably since like 5th or 6th grade now. So it's been really cool to get to learn different things related to computers and programming.
In the future, there's going to be a lot more technology. I think that'll just be helpful in us, like if a computer breaks down or something.
A lot of my favorite moments have been when kids are so hungry for a good job, and they really work hard. They put their nose to the grindstone, and they produce something that they're proud of.